Your HomeLink universal transceiver's control buttons are located along the bottom of your rear view mirror. Messages regarding your programming status will appear here. The system can consolidate the functions of various individual handheld transmitters to replace devices that operate garage doors, gates, lights, or security alarms. HomeLink is powered by your INFINITI vehicle's battery and requires no other power source. Remember that you'll need all of your handheld transmitters, such as your garage door opener, to successfully program HomeLink. To get started, clear the HomeLink memory. Press and hold the two outer buttons. When the indicator begins to flash, release both buttons. Your HomeLink is now ready to be programmed. To begin programming, press and release the HomeLink button that you would like to program. The indicator light will begin to flash. Then, position the handheld transmitter 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink surface. While the indicator light is flashing, press and hold the handheld transmitter button. Continue pressing until the indicator light changes to solid. When this message is displayed, the device has been successfully programmed. If the garage door system uses a rolling code, you will also have to synchronize the garage door system with the integrated garage door opener in the rearview mirror. To do this, put the ignition in the on position. Leave the vehicle and press this programming button. Once the button is pressed, you have approximately 30 seconds to initiate the next step. Get into the vehicle and press and hold the HomeLink button you are programming for at least 2 seconds. This step may need to be repeated multiple times. If you have any questions or are having difficulty programming your HomeLink buttons, please refer to the HomeLink website or call 1-800-355-3515. For further functions and features, download the HomeLink app from the website. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.